Srbija.
Mi pobeđujemo, a moramo da se povučemo. Sam Bog zna zašto je to dobro. Vi ste se zakleli kralju i otadžbini da ćete se boriti do zadnje kapi krvi. Ja vas razrešavam zakletve koju ste meni dali. Svako ko želi može da ide kući, nek mu je Bogom prosto. Idite svojim kućama, a ja vam dajem reč da nikoga zbog toga glava neće zaboleti. A da li će vam otadžbina oprostiti, to morate da vidite sa njom. Nas čeka povlačenje preko albanskih planina. Mnogi od nas se neće vratiti sa tog putovanja. A ja, vaš stari kralj, ostajem sa vama i obećavam da ćemo se vratiti da branimo Kosovo i Srbiju. Ako ne živi, mrtvi ćemo ih goniti do sudnjeg dana.
The red apple is the prized apple, Mehmet. The sweetest, the ripest. It is the beating heart at the center of our universe, the promised land. He who conquers Constantinople will have the world.
Constantinople, either I conquer you, or you conquer me.
23 armies have tried to take this city and failed. Tonight, we will avenge them! The prophet said, "You shall conquer Constantinople." What a wonderful leader will her leader be! And what a wonderful army will that army be!
Sultan, we must retreat and regroup.
Nonsense.
You can see you are losing the battle.
We attack again. Sultan, I urge you to reconsider. I will take this city. This is madness!
The stars have aligned, Mehmet. You must not doubt yourself.
Let us now fulfill our destiny. Then we will use our hands and minds to forge a new age from the ashes. The red apple will be given to the faithful. Allahu Akbar!
A peccatus omnibus expiata, into a redemption is sorta requiescat. Per Dominum Christum. Amen.
Oh my God, I trust in thee. Let me not be ashamed. Let not mine enemies triumph over me. Lead me in thy truth, for thou art the God of my salvation.
To battle! Fight for your king! For Christ! Fight for your God! For Essex and for England!
The great warrior Herkman, staunch defender of our faith.
I think you always loved your Lord, your God, more
I'm not afraid to die for my faith.
than you ever loved me.
To Bishop Herkman, scourge of the Vikings and man of God.
I don't think you ever did love me.
Alas, we have suffered a most grievous loss of this great and noble man.
My mother told me someday I will buy.
I didn't come here to go back.
Dit wie te vergen, dit wie te aan die ganze wakker drijven mij. Zomaar kan zwakker blijven te rijden, aan die wakker drijven, aan rijden hoe. Waarom zijn je met hij maar? Vidijjo, ik hier buiten, en niet even, ik hier afstel. En dan raken meteen, en weer aanschoen, in wel goed
One day, everyone will know of I by the boundless.
I love you, brother. I love you, brother.
Don't be afraid.